math. My lesson is adding and multiplying integers. Adding integers. First step, knowing your addition. The first step before adding any integers is very simple, knowing your addition. So here we have a addition table. Second step, memorizing the rules of adding integers. So the first rule is a positive plus positive equals positive. A negative plus a negative equals negative. When you have two different signs, a negative plus a positive, the way I figure out which sign is gonna come here depends on which number is bigger. So negative 7 plus positive 5. I know the 7 is bigger, so I know it's gonna be a negative. So here we have a line graph, and this is usually for visual learners. So yeah, so here we have negative 7, so we're gonna start here and add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, it's still on the negative side, so now it's going to be negative 2. Step 3, adding integers with more than two factors. So here we have negative 1 plus positive 5 plus positive 2 plus negative 2. So there's two different ways to find out the answer. The first way is adding these two together, then these two. So negative 1 plus positive 5 equals positive 4, plus positive 2 plus negative 2 equals 0. So your answer is going to be positive 4. Multiplying integers. Step 1, learning your times tables. The first thing you do before starting multiplying integers is learning your multiplication timetables. You should study your multiplications at least 5 minutes a day. So here we have a multiplication timetable. Step 2, memorizing the rules of multiplying. So it's different than addition. Positive plus a positive equals positive. A negative, like times, a negative times a negative equals a positive. But when you have two different signs, it always equals a negative, even vice versa. Here's the steps. Multiply integers with more than two factors. So there's two ways again. I forgot to do the last time, the other way from adding, so I'm going to do the other. So the first way, I'll do the second way now. So you're going to divide this addition, the negative and positive. So you're going to take the negatives and add them. So that equals 10. You're going to take away the signs out, and you're going to put them back after. Now you're going to take all the positives and add them, times them, it equals 10. And then now you're going to multiply them. So the other way how I did addition, the same way you can find the answer. So review. knowing your addition. Always remember your addition. Memorizing the rules. Again, positive plus positive equals a positive. A negative plus negative equals a negative. And when you have two different signs, it all depends on which number is bigger. Adding integers by more than two factors. Again, we have two different ways to find out the answer. So it's going to equal, first we're going to start off this negative 1 plus positive 5 equals positive 4 plus positive 2 plus negative 2 equals 0. That equals positive 4. Second way is dividing it, negative, positive, or negative. You're going to add them together. That equals 6. And then you're going to add this plus 4. You're going to take these two, because on the negative positive side, you're going to add them, equals 7. Now you're going to take the negatives and add them together, that equals 3. And now you're going to subtract them. Negative 7 minus 3 equals 4. And since the 7 is bigger, we're going to take the positive and put it to the 4. Memorizing the rules of multiplying. Again, positive plus positive equals positive times negative times negative equals positive. And when we have two different signs, it always equals negative. Remember your times tables. Remember to try to remember them 5 minutes a day. And that's the end of my presentation.